Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel Code Camp, and I'm Sheetal. Today I'm here to guide you about how to create teams in Office 365 account and basically what are teams. So in Microsoft Teams, teams are groups of people brought together for work, projects or common interests. So teams are made up of two types of channels: standard, which is available and visible to everyone, and private. And put this link portal.office.com. Here log in with the ID which is given to you by your Office 365 IT admin. Put that ID over here and the password. Once you log in for the first time, you will look for these dots kind of icon. It is called as App Launcher, and you will click and you will see all these apps associated to Office 365, the account that you have been provided with. And here you have to click on Teams. When you will log in for the first time through browser, it will ask you whether you want to download the desktop app or you want to continue within the browser. So for best experience, what you can select is get the Windows app, and this desktop app is available for Mac operating systems also. So you can get both the types of apps using Microsoft site and download section. Link I have put in my description, from where you can download the desktop app for Mac OS also. And otherwise you can use if you want to use within the browser, you can use the second option. So I have already downloaded this on my desktop. So here this is the. So to create a team, you have to go to Teams activity area here, this one, and once you'll click, you will see this kind of option, join or create team. Click on this. Here click on this, create team. So it will give you four options: class, professional learning community. It is actually a group of teachers only, educators. Then staff. This kind of team helps in keeping all the members of a staff together. And other for clubs and study groups. So we'll take first one. This is class. For a class we are creating this team. So now it will ask you to give name to your team. For example, I am putting name as 11th A. So description is optional if you want to give, otherwise you can leave this option. After giving name to the team, click on next. Then here you have to add students to your team. So let's say if you have around 20-24 students, if you'll type their name, the first letters of their name, then you would be able to see the names of the students. So for example, these are the names of the students. Dummy student 2, so it's added. And if you want to add more number of students, you can search for more students with their name. So I have created these two students just for this purpose, and I'm adding these two students. Click on add. So first of all, you have to select all the names of the students and then click on add. Then you have to add teachers also. Teachers are the subject teachers that would be teaching your class. So similarly, you have to search for the teacher name the way you have done for students. So I have this account for one teacher, so I am adding it. Click on add. And once you are done with this step, you have to close it. So you will see that it will give you this kind of a screen wherein your class is already created. The class name was, or maybe we can say that team name was 11th A. Okay, and this is the dashboard of your class. Now by default you will get one channel, which is general channel, but general channel is more like posting common information which is common for all the subjects. But for keeping your day-to-day meetings, day-to-day classes, you need to create channels for the subjects, because while scheduling meeting you need those channels. So to create channels you have to go to this option, more options, these 3 dots, click on this and click option of add channel. Now give channel name as, let's say, English. Description again is optional if you want to give, and you have to keep your channel as standard. There are 2 categories, one is standard, one is private, but you have to keep this one standard. And keep this option checked if you want to show this channel to every teacher's list. But if you don't want to show it automatically, you don't need to click this option. Click on add. It's adding the channel, and now you will see English channel has been added. So like this you can create channel for other subjects also, and you can create your class. Thank you.